I would like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt support and appreciation to the leaders and activists of the Brompton Malayali Society for this cultural endeavor. As the Minister of Tourism of Kerala, I would like to express my gratitude and love to all the Canadian authorities and the general public for their esteemed support and assistance to this community. As the politics of partition and segregation prepares to dominate the world once again, this embrace between cultures of two geographically distant regions is of great significance. The meaningful flag of cosmopolitanism is being hoisted here. Canada has unequivocally declared its commitment to the great idea of world brotherhood and fraternity, even as the politics of some of the most important nations of the world have gone beyond rigid narrow-mindedness. It was a very exciting experience for humanitarianism all over the world. Launched in August 2009, the boat race is considered to be the only boat race in North America. This water festival has grown from a very small beginning to a level that now attracts a lot of people, and it has become a carnival of the public. It is also significant that a unique festival of the Malayali community has been transformed into one that attracts all sections of the population. On this occasion, I especially appreciate the imagination behind Kerala's own boat race being so actively presented in a watershed in Canada. The cultural awareness of being able to make such constructive interventions in the midst of the hustle and bustle of life is a sublime one. There is no doubt that this program will introduce our natural features of Kerala in more detail to the West. It will definitely expand our tourism potential. Such events will energize Kerala tourism to overcome the minor crisis in connection with the COVID-19 pandemic. It is our vast expatriate community that can be the real promoters of Kerala tourism. Kerala Tourism will provide them with the necessary professional and training guidance. The Department of Tourism will proudly provide an opportunity for our expatriate community to interact with Kerala tourism from any corner of the world to introduce and attract others. The development of information technology will be a great help in this regard. This will enable the Malayali community to keep in touch with their homeland while working in other parts of the country. Universal truth convinces the world that the noise of the spectators rising between the water games in Alappuzha, Kumaragam, and Chambakulam in Kerala is the same as the noise of the spectators at the Brampton Reservoir in Canada. So this event is convincing the world that the Brampton Nehru Trophy boat race is not just a boat race, but with a broader meaning that includes some of the most beautiful philosophical levels. I want the Malayali expat community in different parts of the world to take up such initiatives. Such activities are sure to be the most divine intervention in the promotion of Kerala tourism. Therefore, it will be sustainable. I am very happy to announce that I am formally inaugurating the event on this occasion. I would also like to share with you the significance and glory of this opportunity that makes me so fortunate. Thank you all and goodbye.